We're down to a rare tractor here right now, Super 44. It come out of North Carolina, and a jobber picked up a whole semi-load of little tractors down from North Carolina and took them up to Madison, Wisconsin. He had a lot of 440s and a lot of cultivators. This was the only 44 he had. It had white wheels on, and that wasn't nothing too beautiful to look at, so it got totally stripped down and changed. They use this for tobacco farming. It's been pretty good. I put an extra step on the side here because that's a little high to jump on for when you get older. The downfall, it's got a 6-volt battery. Yeah, ain't gonna happen. Otherwise, it just goes to the parades and shows off because it's a side sitter and steering wheel, and that was great in tobacco farms with just a one-row cultivator. You had a broad view, and there was only 750 some, 57 I think made of these tractors, so they're pretty rare. And right now they're pretty pricey. And this one will be pretty pricey too.